Hello everyone, this is Minh, and today video I would like to show you how to fix Windows 11 error, especially in Taskbar or Explorer. You cannot open any taskbar here or start menu or any app here, or sometimes you don't see any icon on taskbar start menu, or any Explorer you cannot open. Okay, so how to fix it? Okay, and another step, have to switch to beta 1. Okay, first thing first, you need to press CTRL-ALT-DEL. Okay, or you can press CTRL-ALT-DEL and then select Task Manager. Okay, so you may see some process, especially the Explorer not working, so we need to delete one thing and then make it work. So you go to File, Run, and then type CMD. Okay, you can just type CMD, or you may run as administrator privilege. Okay, and then one thing you need to paste right here, just this code right here. Oh, sorry, not that one. Here I have code in here, the regedit file, and just copy it and paste here. So don't worry, I put all the stuff in the link in the description. You just follow the step and then you got it. So after you paste it, just click enter and then it will restart the computer, then everything will back to normal. So just paste and then press enter. So one more thing I want to show you, that we can, after you restart a computer, just go to update. Okay, and then go to inside the program, and here you should speak to beta channel. It recommend and less error rather than dev channel. Okay, and then soon Microsoft release in October 5th the release in the release channel, so you can speak to here, so it's more stable, less error. Okay, it works. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment. Okay, see you.